Need some non-alcoholic fall drink ideas? I got 4 virgin cocktail recipes just for you that are super easy drinks to make at home. Stay tuned. What's up guys, samjames.co, and I got some fall mocktails for any occasion that I promise you your guests are absolutely gonna love. Now if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending or cocktail, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now obviously we could think of a ton of reasons why you may be needing to serve a non-alcoholic cocktail to somebody, but like I've said before on this channel, I don't know how many times, there's absolutely no reason why virgin drinks can also be tasty drinks as well. These fall drink recipes make for great baby shower drinks or any occasion that you could think of to serve non-alcoholic drinks to make at home. Plus, if the mocktail is really good, you won't even miss the alcohol. Now these mocktails are actually riffs on cocktails that I've done previously, featured in this video right here. So if you are interested in finding out how to make the boozy version of these fall mocktails, go ahead and check that video out once you're done with this one. Now the first of our non-alcoholic cocktail recipes is going to be the riff on our Modern Pirate cocktail. Now the Modern Pirate is actually a rum cocktail, and because I haven't really found a truly good rum substitute, an alcohol-free rum substitute, we're just going to remove the rum from this process altogether and adjust the rest of the recipe to make sure that we balance out all the flavors. Now go ahead and grab your shaker, and you're going to take 1 ounce of apple juice, 3/4 of an ounce of spice syrup, and if you want to figure out how we made our spice syrup, you can check out this video right here. Then you're going to add 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Throw all that into your shaker and give it a nice good shake. Once you're done with that, take your rocks glass and dirty dump everything into your rocks glass with crushed ice. Top it off with about 2 ounces of sparkling water, fill it with a little bit more crushed ice, and you're all set. Garnish it with either a lime wheel or an apple rose, and you're good to serve it to your guests. If you want to figure out how to make the apple rose or any other garnishes, you can check out this video right here to see some cool garnish ideas. And while we're on the subject, what are some of your favorite fall mocktails? Drop it in the comments below so we can all get a chance to try out some new tasty drinks to make at home. Now next up on our list of virgin drink recipes is our riff on the Queen's Tonic. Now when you're looking to recreate the gin flavor, the gin essence, the gin smell in a mocktail, I found the best way is to either take juniper, which is the berry that is what gives gin its unique flavor and its unique smell, and use that and infuse it into either a syrup or into a water, heavily infused juniper water. Now for some ideas on how to easily and effectively infuse syrups or waters or anything like that with a particular flavor, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. Now pro tip when you're looking to make your juniper infusion, whatever it is, the syrup or the water or whatever the case may be, go ahead and take your juniper berry and kind of crush it. Crush it between your fingers, give it a smell, and see if you start to get all those gin aromas. What happens sometimes is when you either buy it in the store or you order it online, you get some really dried berries that don't impart any aroma or any flavor. So just give them a quick check before you use them in your infusion, or else you're not gonna get any of that gin essence that you're looking for. Now for this one, go ahead and grab your shaker. Go ahead and add 1 ounce of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of juniper infused simple syrup, 1/2 ounce of rosemary and fennel infused simple syrup. Give it a nice shake and go ahead and double strain that into your martini glass. Take 1 ounce of sparkling water to top it off and go ahead and serve it with a nice fresh rosemary sprig to your guests. And that's our mocktail riff on the Queen's Tonic. Now third on our list of non-alcoholic cocktails is our riff on what's called Snow White's Apple. Now, this is a bourbon cocktail, but like rum, it's very difficult to find a really good bourbon substitute. So we're just going to remove that altogether and adjust the rest of the recipe to balance out all the flavors of the mocktail. Now for this one, all you're gonna do is grab your shaker, go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of apple juice, 3/4 of an ounce of spice syrup, another 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and give that a nice shake with ice and double strain that into your martini glass. Top it off with about 1 ounce of sparkling water and garnish it with either a lemon wheel or a apple rose, all set to serve it to your guests. Now at the time of filming this, I was still at a complete loss for the name of our last fall virgin cocktail. If you have any names after you see this recipe, please go ahead and drop it in the comments, and I'll be sure to update the description and give you guys a shout out for that. Now for this one, all you're gonna do is grab your shaker, grab 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, give them a nice spank and drop them in the shaker. Then you're gonna go ahead and add 3 ounces of lemongrass infused white grape juice, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Go ahead and give that a nice shake and strain that into your Collins glass with crushed ice. Add another 2 ounces of sparkling water to that and fill it with more crushed ice. Give it a nice stir, and then you go ahead and give it a garnish with a nice fresh sprig of mint. And these are our mocktails. Hopefully they've given you some great holiday drink ideas, and you add these mixed drinks to your list of refreshing drinks to make at home. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the Barprints cheat sheet. It's a free PDF that has some great training in there to help you go from novice bartender to pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And for some more great bartending advice, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.